That's a good morning and good day, or wherever you are in the world. How's all our succulent growers, upcoming farmers, and entrepreneurs in South Africa? Godfrey, what is possible in life?
Everything is possible. Everything is possible in life.
Everyone must understand it
Yes, sir.
because everything is possible. I'm going to show the camera, turn it around, and show you guys. So the 15 plants, 555, the cuttings that we made, they was laying for a week. The points colors, that means it got dry. So all the points is dry and they are ready to plant. If you don't colors them, your risk of rot is higher than 10-20%. So we have 5 cuttings of each. Everything has been colored for a week, and now the next step is to plant them. Mr. Masamula, will you show us please plant them?
Yes, sir. Easy, 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 easy. Don't squeeze him too hard. You don't squeeze him too low. You just pop him
In the middle of the pot.
in the middle of the pot, just like that.
Yeah, it's amazing. Are you sure it's going to work like that?
It will work perfectly. We've done this for years now.
That's
for
beautiful,
years.
beautiful.
Yes.
And I mean, and you can even put it sort by sort, do mixed trays. You can put
Where you
2
want
in
it.
a pot if you want. And the only thing they need is a bit of time. So this is the spec boompie. The Shrek eertjies is in now. They look beautiful.
Then the spec form. Same.
I'm just going to move to this side if you got for it. We can have a better view if you're planting. And you see that
Just
is
like that.
the soil. You will see this one was potted this morning. This one was last night, so it already started to dry out. But it doesn't matter. So for the next 2 weeks, it will have enough moisture before we have to start to give it water. I mean, that just looks incredible.
It's amazing.
This is some sort of rosy. Yeah, if you plant it, make sure it is nice, small things, and it's important to leave some of the stem open if you put it in the soil, not to have leaves in the soil. So your soil will always be underneath your leaves.
Perfect.
So there the last 5 is going. I don't even know what's the names.
Just like this.
A lot of people make you confused with all the names. But it's a beautiful succulent, so it goes in the ground and you plant it. Godfrey, that's amazing.
Beautiful and perfect.
So here now our 15 plants is done. It took us 5 minutes and we have 15 plants happily growing. Here's some of the other trays me and Godfrey already planted and get ready. And Godfrey, thank you so much for planting and sharing your wisdom with our succulent growers and upcoming farmers.
Thank you. Keep supporting, keep watching video, like it, man.
Cheers guys,
Thank
bye.
you.